Hello, K. What's up, honey babes? Welcome back to the Queendom. In today's video, I'm bringing you my night routine. Hosa and Namaste with me, with some cooking, cleaning, and self-care. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on the gram, guys. Whether you're here for some inspiration or just want something in the background, I hope you enjoy. Let's get right into this video. I was finishing up some work from earlier. Before I get started on my night, I'd like to change out my clothes and put something a little bit more comfortable. I had some dishes in the sink from earlier, so I just wanted to get those washed before I cooked. Spray, 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 scrub, scrub, scrub. You know, you gotta get in there. Yeah. I'm just gonna take a few minutes to myself to unwind. So I'm gonna make myself some snacks. Gonna have cheese and crackers and wine for the night. Oh, the cheese. Oh yeah, honey babes, you can't forget the bev. Yeah, some good wine. Now it's time to cook, honey babes. I love to watch Netflix while I'm cooking, and right now I'm watching Shameless. For dinner tonight, I'm making potatoes, asparagus, and steak. I always wash my veggies and fruits with fruit wash. Touching meat is so gross, and I don't like contaminating things, so I like to make my seasoning before I handle my meat. I'm using salt, pepper, and garlic and herb seasoning salt, paprika, and nothing but the leftover seasoning I got from Trader Joe's house. I wash my steaks with vinegar and water, and then I pour some olive oil on so the seasoning sticks. Is ready, and I like setting the mood for me and my man, so I'm gonna light some candles and set the table up. I always bring my laptop with me to dinner because we love watching movies while we eat. So why not? More Netflix! I really do have the best man. He usually does the dishes after I cook, and then I put away the food and clean up the kitchen. I try to sweep and mop every night just to keep up with the cleaning and make it easier for myself. We do have a cleaner who comes twice a month, but I still have to clean in between, you know? Now with the method spray and mop, it makes mopping so easy. I don't have to fill up a bucket of water and soap. Now it is time for my shower. This is my shower routine from my previous video. If you would like to see my full shower routine, you can click onto my previous video. I'm going to make an updated one for you guys soon. I just got some new products that I'm trying out and love.
Hey babes, so I just wanted to get on here and finish out this vlog and say good night. I am all finished with my night routine. Tonight I'm feeling really lazy and I just want to go cuddle up with my man. So I'm just gonna head downstairs while he plays the game, cuddle up, watch something on my laptop, play on my phone. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and join the queendom. Like this video, comment, and I will see you in the next video, babes. Love you.